Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove restricted mode on YouTube. Restricted mode is a useful feature designed to filter out content that may be inappropriate for certain audiences. However, it can sometimes be too restrictive, preventing access to legitimate content or causing inconvenience, so I'll show you how to disable it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First method is to open YouTube app on your device. After that, click on little icon of your profile in top right corner of the screen. Next you need to click on Settings field. Now you are on menu with lot options and go on General by tapping on it. Then scroll a little down and you can see restricted mode is enabled and you need to click on this blue button to disable it. If doesn't work to you, I will show you another method. That method is 100%. So again, go on little icon of your profile in top right corner of the screen. After they go on this blue manage your Google account. Now you are on your Google account settings. On this menu you can change everything: your name, your birthday, your gender and more. So next click on personal info. And go on birthday option by tapping on it. Now change the date of your birthday, and enter that you are over 18 years old, then save your changes, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.